Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now in today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and if you have problems with your radio guys or the information screen not turning on, stay with us guys and we'll show you which two fuses guys you need to check. Now if any of those fuses doesn't work, your radio and your screen will not turn on, and we'll explain why. Now in the meantime guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and please drop a comment below, let us know what you think, and if you have any recommendations guys, your feedback is highly appreciated. So this is a 2015 guys Chevy Cruze, but it will be the same procedure for the whole generation from 2008 to 2016. So let me go inside now. I'm going to show you how the radio, and the screen, they do not turn on at all, like nothing. I put the key in. You can see the radio, nothing. So where are those two fuses we're talking about? So right next to the steering wheel there is a fuse box, right here, and I'm going to show you in just a minute which fuse guys you need to check for that purpose. Let me get something to show you with that pointer so you can see a little bit better where things are. So now right here guys, we have one cover. Pull it down. This is your fuse box cover. Now the fuses guys, that we need to check, they're actually right there. The fuse number 4 is for the radio guys. Fuse number 4, this fuse is for the radio here. And I'm going to go ahead, I'll just get pliers. You have a fuse puller in the front fuse box, but I'll just use the small pliers. And when you look at the fuse guys, most of the times you can tell if it's a burnt fuse or not. This definitely looks okay to me, so I will go ahead and install it now. The same slot. This is the radio fuse guys. Number 4 is radio fuse, 20 amp fuse in our case. Yours might be different depending on the year. And then we have fuse guys number 5. Fuse number 5 is actually for the information screen. So let me pull this one and I'll look through the fuse, and you can definitely see it's burnt on the inside guys. So I'll get a new fuse guys. In the description of the video below you can find where we buy all our fuses from for a really good price, so please check it out. And I'll just get another fuse, and see if that is going to heal our problem. Let me put the cover on so I don't lose it, because if you leave things for later, sometimes you forget. Perfect. Now let's put the key in. That's what we had before. Screen is working, radio working as well guys, so you can definitely see that takes care of the problem. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.